Welcome to RAKEZ Online Self-Service Portal, a convenient all-in-one platform for your business needs. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of making amendments to your business license with RAKEZ. This includes changes such as your company name, officer details, shareholders, or share capital. Once logged in, navigate to Company Services and select Corporate Amendment. Your company name and legal form will already be pre-selected. Enter the correspondence email and mobile number where you'd like to receive all future communications regarding this service request. Here, you'll see a list of available amendment services. You can select one or multiple options based on your needs. Click Next to continue. Let's go through an example. Changing your company name. Enter 3 proposed company names. Since name availability is not guaranteed, it is mandatory to submit multiple options. When choosing a name, certain rules need to be followed to make sure your trade name complies with the rules and regulations. You can view the guideline by scanning this QR code or click on the description link below. Select your preferred company name from the list. If you have any additional comments, enter them in the space provided and click Next. You'll now be prompted to upload the necessary documents. Documents that are mandatory will be clearly checkmarked for your convenience. Click Next once your files are uploaded. You can now see the summary of your requested changes. Accept the terms and conditions and click Next. You can now see the cost breakdown. Now, go ahead and pay to submit your service request. That's it! You've successfully submitted a company name change service request. Now, let's look into changing officer details. This service request allows you to update the manager, director, and POA holder/authorized signatory. Click Next to begin the service request. You'll now see the existing shareholder and officer details displayed on your screen. If you wish to add a new officer, click on Add New Officer. Fill out the form by entering the required details. And indicate whether the new officer is a UBO, Ultimate Beneficial Owner. Anyone who owns more than 25% of the controlling shares can be the UBO. Select the basis on which the new officer qualifies as a UBO. Enter the relevant date and click Next. Now, select the role for the new officer and click Submit. You can review the updated policies for UBO qualification using this QR code or by following the link in the description. If you'd like to edit existing shareholder or officer details, simply click Edit next to the record and make the necessary changes. Once you're done, click Next to proceed. Now, follow the standard submission steps to complete the request. That's it. You've successfully submitted the request to update officer details. Next, let's look into changing shareholders. If you wish to manage share distribution or add a new shareholder, click on Manage Share Distribution. To initiate a new transfer, click on the available text option. Select the shareholder you're transferring shares from and the one you're transferring shares to. Enter the number of shares to be transferred and click Save. To add a new shareholder, click the appropriate button and select whether the new shareholder is an individual or a corporate entity. Fill out the required form and specify whether the new shareholder is a UBO. Once done, click Submit. Select the share details. Alternatively, if you want to add a shareholder from an existing list, click the button to access saved officers. Select the officer and choose whether you'd like to assign shares by transferring from existing shareholders or by increasing share capital. Enter the relevant details and click Next. Now, follow the standard submission steps to complete the request. That's it! You've successfully submitted the request to change shareholder details. Next, let's look into changing share capital. If you wish to increase the share capital, enter your proposed number of shares and click Next. Now, enter the distribution of the new shares amongst the shareholders and click Save. Once the distribution is successful, click Next. Now, follow the standard submission steps to complete the request. That's it. You've successfully submitted the request to change shareholder details. Are you ready to begin your journey with us? For questions, navigate to our Contact Us page or call us at 8007-2539, Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m.